Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly don't want to overlook any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of April 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.26. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.42%. This equates to an average return of 0.47% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. Over the next 3 months, the trend suggests a potential decline of nearly 50%, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to a decrease of about 24%. In the longer term, our analysis over the next 12 months projects a change of approximately 54%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between around 6% and 353% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price between $3.81 and $16.20. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 0.28% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, rising from $3.57 to $3.58. It has now gained for 6 consecutive days. It is not often that stocks manage to gain for so many days in a row, and a fall for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.54%, ranging from a day low of $3.45 to a day high of $3.71. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 36.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 37 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $211.75 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices could indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning about possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 65.41% or $6.77 below the 52-week high and 77.79% or $12.54 below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings Inc. is currently facing significant legal challenges with multiple class action lawsuits filed alleging securities fraud against the company and its senior executives. Investors who suffered losses during the specified class period from March 31st, 2022 to March 25th, 2025 are being urged to take action, with deadlines set for June 10th, 2025 to join these suits. This legal scrutiny can have immediate repercussions on stock prices, as uncertainty surrounding potential liabilities often leads to decreased investor confidence. As the lawsuits unfold, which follow recent disappointing financial results, a 19% revenue miss in their last reported quarter, investors may react negatively, impacting the stock's short-term performance. Additionally, with earnings reports looming, anything less than reassuring guidance could further exacerbate volatility. In the long term, the resolution of these legal issues will be crucial. A positive outcome could restore some trust among shareholders, but ongoing legal woes could deter new investment and hinder strategic growth initiatives. Overall, the current environment around BigBear.ai signals caution, propelling downward pressure on its stock price until clarity emerges. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock for BigBear.ai Holdings shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $3.04 and $3.02. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day. Despite an increase in prices, this creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is recommended. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 63% and 0.39. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 52 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 115 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.57. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 260 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 7.54%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 12.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus of -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.57. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Peffer Julie conducted an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 93.637. Overall, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.40, representing a decrease of 5.12%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Additionally, there's a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 51 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher, remaining at a price of $3.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.